Did you know that Sue Bird was one of the best female basketball players of all time? Sue Bird was born in Syosset, New York, October 16, 1980, and she loved watching her sister play basketball. Sue Bird broke the record of most assists in a game. She played point guard on the Yukon Huskies, and her last season she was undefeated, and she had 39 wins and 0 losses. Sue Bird went to the Olympics and played on the USA team 2004 to 2021. In 2017, at 37 years old, Sue Bird became the WNBA leader in career assists at 2,600. I hope you like Sue Bird now, and I hope that you learned enough about her. Sue Bird broke the record of most assists in a game.
How many wins? She got 0 wins, 39 losses?
No.
Or 39 losses?